Sige, lakad. Ah. Video ito ginagawa.
Tatay, there's a Buddha. Go! We're gonna share some drinks and a person or do the cheers. The older person must be higher up. And the less age will be a bit lower. But that would be disrespectful to just smaller person.
Sige, punta kayo doon mag-ama sa ilalim. Harap. Then harap sa akin.
Ngong Queen.
Huh? This is a village. Can you live here?
Of course.
I want to live here. It's so peaceful. Sa Biminta to ang ingay. Ang laging basa. Ang daming dog poop. Dito ang linis. Peaceful. Walang masyadong tao.
Kaway tatay, naka-video ako.
There's toilet here. See, just relax. Here, tatay. Relax.
Sit down. Ano kapag-rest yung ano mo?
Nah, I'm not even. My knees don't hurt. That guy is the Nazi symbol on him. Oh yeah, Nazi symbol. Isn't the Nazi symbol? That's swastika is the Nazi symbol.